Right now on Etsy, there are sellers making upward of $91,200 per month selling a simple Google Sheets life planner for $10. But here's what's interesting. Another creator took that same basic concept, transformed it into a digital utility bundle, and is making over $200,000 per month, selling it for $47 on their own website. And so there's like the craziest part, they're not competing with each other at all. In fact, they're both succeeding because they understand something most digital creators miss: the power of market lag time. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to spot these opportunities and transform any PDF or template into a high-value digital utility. But first, let me show you something fascinating happening on Etsy right now. Take a look at these. These are the top-selling digital products on Etsy right now. Notice anything interesting? Almost every single one is some kind of template, planner, or toolkit. But here's where it gets really interesting. While everyone rushes to compete on Etsy with similar products, smart creators are taking these proven concepts and transforming them into digital utilities they sell across the entire internet. Think of it like salmon swimming upstream. While all the other fish get swept into the crowded marketplace, fighting over $17 sales, these creators are finding success by going the opposite direction. They're not just selling products, they're selling transformation through utility. And the best part? There's practically zero competition because most creators don't understand what I'm about to show you. But here's where it gets interesting. When you sell on Etsy, you're limited in two critical ways. On the one side, you have single product sales, no customer list, no follow-up ability, platform dependence, and a $2,000 a month potential. But when you take this exact same utility off Etsy, you can bundle it with complementary tools, build your own customer list, create upsell opportunities, control your platform, and reach a $10,000 a month potential. Right now on Etsy, there's a seller called Priori Digital Studio who's absolutely crushing it selling simple digital planners and templates. Over the last 30 days, they've averaged 87 sales per day and a whopping $9,500 per month. Now, their average product price is around $10, but that's a majority of their sales are on simple things like, so let's do the math, 9,527 sales at roughly $10 each. That's over $95,000 per month in revenue, $22,000 per week from a bunch of digital templates. Imagine if Priori Digital Studio took their top-selling wedding planner, life planner, and budget templates and turned each one into a comprehensive digital toolkit bundle with a dashboard, videos, calculators, worksheets, and community subscriptions. If they sold these premium versions on their own site for $47.97 instead of $10, even just 5% of their 9,527 monthly customers would generate $22,000 to $46,000 per month. That's up to half the revenue from just a few flagship products. And that's comparable to, or even double, what they're making now on Etsy from a fraction of the work. Plus, those high-paying customers would be theirs. No Etsy fees, no competing in a crowded marketplace. That's the power of transforming a proven digital product into a premium brand of your own. Incredible, right? Just think about it. There are people selling how to plan your wedding ebooks, and then there are smart people selling interactive wedding planning systems with budgeting tools, guest list managers, timeline creators, DIY seating chart creators, and just about everything you can think of as a bundle. Don't sell a PDF on how to have a healthy marriage. Instead, sell relationship tune-up toolkits with communication exercises, conflict resolution guides, and intimacy enhancers. Don't sell a PDF on how to handle troubled teens. Instead, sell parent empowerment programs with behavior analysis tools, communication scripts, and family activity ideas. Don't sell a PDF on how to manage ADHD. Instead, sell ADHD success systems with symptom trackers, routine builders, and focus enhancers. No matter what problem someone is trying to solve or skill they want to learn, there's a huge opportunity to be the one who provides the system that practically guarantees their success. Now, let me show you exactly how to do this transformation using our TOOLS framework. T stands for trace the transformation. First, identify three things. 1. What result do people actually want? 2. What steps do they need to take? 3. Where do they usually get stuck? For example, let's use photography. The result they want is to book more clients. The steps include marketing, inquiry, booking, session, and delivery. The sticking point? Keeping track of everything. O stands for outline the utility options. And this is where you identify tools to help at each step. Templates? Yes. Calculators? Absolutely. Automated systems? Critical. Tracking tools? A must. Next, O stands for organize, the workflow. Connect everything into a logical system, entry points, core tools, support resources, and result delivery. L stands for layer in leverage. Add automation, reusable components, time-saving shortcuts, and progress tracking to make the system scalable. Finally, S stands for systemize the solution. Package everything into a complete utility, a core dashboard, supporting tools, templates, guides, and tracking systems. Now you understand how to transform any PDF into a digital utility using the TOOLS framework. But here's the thing. Finding the right opportunities is actually the easy part once you know where to look. I've discovered a goldmine of utility opportunities that nobody is talking about. These are proven products people are already buying, just waiting to be transformed. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it, because I'll also show you how to spot which opportunities have the highest profit potential before you create anything. And here's something to help you get started right now. Head over to digitallevers.io and grab our deck of 52 digital utility inspirations. This deck is packed with ideas to help you create inspirational digital utilities in any niche market. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale, it's the perfect tool to spark your creativity and transform your ideas into powerful utilities. And that's where the big opportunities are, and this is what this channel is all about.